Oh, the sun is really, really piping now.
Yeah,
Man, if it's sun hot.
At the tropical, you know, when everywhere in the world is cold, you know, right here, it gives you the energy from the sun.
All year round.
So give thanks to Mother Nature and Father Time, because nothing happened before the time. Ice. Yeah, man. No love to I Empress Yudah. Every time. Manners and respect goes out a long way. Aye.
All right, people. We are going to take a trod. And today I'm wearing my dashiki. You know already, so we always a rep for the dashiki nation. And that's how we do it. Earthly people. And we're going to make our exodus now, people. Until later. See you all. Alligator.
Aye.